Today, we're diving into the top 5 mistakes people often make when editing PLR ebooks with AI. Whether you're just getting started with PLR content or you've been editing ebooks for a while, these common errors can seriously hold you back if you're not careful. AI can make editing and reworking PLR content a lot faster and easier, but there are still some pitfalls people fall into that stop them from creating top-quality products. So, if you're looking to level up your PLR editing and create products that stand out, you're in the right place.
Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out.
Alright, let's get into it. Here are the 5 mistakes you'll want to avoid when editing PLR ebooks with AI. 1. Using AI to only rewrite text without adding value. One of the biggest mistakes I see is using AI to just rewrite the PLR content word for word. AI tools like ChatGPT can rephrase and improve readability, which is great, but just rephrasing the text doesn't add any unique value to your ebook. When you don't add anything new, your product ends up looking pretty much like every other PLR version out there, and it doesn't stand out. The solution here is to go beyond just rewording the text. Think about ways you can add something extra. For example, you could include some examples or personal stories to make the content more engaging. Maybe even add some current statistics or relevant data that adds credibility and makes the ebook more informative. Even small updates like these can make a big difference and add that unique value that people are looking for. When people download an ebook, they want it to be useful and interesting. So taking a few extra steps can set your ebook apart from all the generic PLR content out there. 2. Overusing keywords and making the content sound robotic. A lot of people think that adding as many keywords as possible is going to help with SEO or make the ebook look professional. But the problem is that overusing keywords can make your content sound unnatural and even robotic. Imagine reading a sentence that's packed with the same keyword over and over. It just doesn't feel right and sounds repetitive, and it won't make for a good reading experience. When you're editing with AI, it's easy to get keyword focused and forget about the flow and readability. AI tools might help you add keywords here and there, but it's important to review the final content to make sure it sounds like a real person wrote it. To avoid this, make sure your keywords are spread out naturally throughout the content. You don't need to stuff every paragraph with the same words. Instead, keep it conversational and easy to read. This way, your ebook not only ranks better in search engines, but also engages your readers, making them more likely to finish the ebook and even recommend it to others. 3. Not fact-checking AI-generated edits. Alright, mistake number 3 is a big one, and it's one that can have a huge impact on your credibility. A lot of people trust AI tools to automatically produce accurate information, but the truth is AI can still generate errors or outdated information, especially if the original PLR content is a bit old. Take YouTube for example, old PLR about YouTube. I can guarantee you that some of the information about YouTube from 5 years ago is going to be out of date and inaccurate now. If you skip fact-checking, you could end up with an ebook full of information that isn't reliable, and that's not going to make readers happy. If you use AI to rephrase it, but don't verify that the data is still relevant, you're putting out a product that might not hold up under scrutiny. This little step of fact-checking can make a huge difference in the quality of your product, and it shows readers that they can trust the information they're getting from you. By taking the time to fact-check, you're adding another layer of credibility to your ebook, and it'll help set you apart from those who just blindly rely on AI to do all the work. 4. Skipping the final read-through for flow and tone. Another common mistake is not doing a final read through once the AI editing is done. A lot of people assume that since AI did the edits, the content must be perfect, but that's rarely the case. Even if the AI improved the grammar or structure, it might not have made the content flow smoothly or kept the tone consistent. You don't want your ebook to sound disjointed or robotic, so it's important to do a quick read-through and make adjustments as needed. Take a few minutes to go through the ebook and make sure it sounds like a real person wrote it. You can adjust phrases here and there, add some personality, or tweak sentences to make the content flow better. This final touch-up step can make a huge difference in the overall quality of your ebook. When readers feel like they're reading something smooth and professional, they're much more likely to stay engaged and even finish the ebook. So don't skip this step. Even if it feels like an extra effort, it's worth it. 5. Ignoring the visual appeal. The last mistake we're going to talk about is ignoring the visual appeal of the ebook. Even if your text is spot on, if your ebook looks plain or boring, it's not going to be very appealing to readers. This is where formatting comes in, and luckily, there are tools that make this part easy. One of those tools is Designer. Designer is great because it now has AI that can help you create the entire ebook from start to finish. Not only can it handle the content, but it also takes care of formatting, layout, and design elements that can make your ebook look professional. With Designer, you don't have to worry about creating the structure or formatting everything by hand. It even helps with things like cover design and adding images, making the entire ebook look visually appealing without a ton of effort. If you're interested in trying Designer, check out the link in the description below. The way your ebook looks can make a big difference in the reading experience. When readers see an organized layout with clear headings, consistent fonts, and attractive visuals, they're more likely to take your content seriously and buy the product. This attention to detail can increase the perceived value of your ebook, making it a product people feel good about and even want to recommend to others. So, make sure you're not skipping over this last step. Alright guys, that's it for the 5 common mistakes people make when editing PLR ebooks with AI. Just to recap, here are the key points we covered. Firstly, make sure you're adding value beyond just rewording the text. Secondly, avoid keyword stuffing that makes the content sound robotic. Thirdly, always fact-check your AI-generated edits to maintain accuracy. Fourthly, don't skip the final read-through to ensure smooth flow and tone. And finally, don't ignore formatting and visual appeal, especially when tools like Designer can do a lot of the work for you.
Now, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Also, to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. And if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.